everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about Python basics, mathematics operations, Python variable and types. Uh, we have to discuss. Highly encourage you to download them from class, take notes, and run code files. When I do the in class, you try it. Break. Class will not be recorded. Class will be live. Zoom for those sick and quarantine. Why come to class? You get out of this course what you put into this. Institutions for concepts take you to the concept, asking questions, example of the concept, opportunity to practice, repeat. Office hour, pizza, paid, lecture, knowledge concept, reaction, exam, problem solving, problem skill, mandatory finger exercise, and optional practice. What we solve? We solve problem using computation, Python programming, organization, modular program, some simple but important algorithm complexity. Let's go. Declarative knowledge is a statement of a fact. Imperative knowledge is a receipt of how. Square root of number x is y such that y. If Gg is close enough to X, stop and says G in the answer. Otherwise, make a new guess by leveraging G and X. Using the new guess, repeat process until close enough. Square root of number x is y such that y is equals to s. That start with a guys g. If gg is close enough to x, stop and say g in the answer. Otherwise, make a new guess by averaging g and x. Using the new guess, repeat process until close enough. Numeric example: square root of a number x is y such that y is equal to s. Start with a g, guess g. G is close enough to x. Stop and say g is answer. Otherwise, make a new guess by average g and x. Using the new guess, repeat process until close enough. We have an algorithm, sequence of simple step flow of control process that specific when each step is executed. A means of determine when to stop. Algorithm RPS, mix, dry, integrate, add eggs and milk, pour mixer in a pan, bake and 750 F for 5 minutes. Strike a toolpicks in the cake. If toolpicks does not come out clean, repeat step 4 and 5, otherwise take pan out of event. Computers are machines that execute algorithm. Two things computers do: perform simple operations, 100 of bill per person, remember result 100 of the gigabyte of the storage. What kind of calculation built into the machines? One that you define as a programmer. A computer will only do what you tell to do. Computer are machines that execute algorithm. Fixed program computer, fixed set of algorithm what we had until 1940s. Store program computer, machine store and executive instructions. Key inside program are no different from keys. Store program. Sequence of instruction stored inside computation built from predefined set of primitive instruction, algorithm and logical simple test movie data. Special program executive is instruction in order used just to change flow of control through sequence. Stop when it run out of instruction or executive a halt instruction. Memory control unit, algorithm logic unit, program counters, input and output. Memory, algorithmic logics, and all of the things. Memory, arithmetic logics, input and outputs. Also, there is a memory, arithmetic logics, input and outputs. This way, we can go for memory, algorithm logics, input and outputs in an effective way. Basic primitives. Turning shows that you can compute anything with a very simple machine that only six primitives left, right, print, scan is no one. Real programming languages have more convenient set of primitives, ways to convenient primitive to create new primitive. Anything computable in one language is computable in any other program language. Primitive construction, English words, program language, number strings, English cat, dog boy, not synthetically valid. Synthetically valid program language, not synthetically valid, and so on. Aspects of language. What we got: statistic sentiment, which Synthetically valid string have meanings. English I am hungry is synthetically valid but static error. Synthetically but statistically semiconductor error. Aspect of language semantics that means associated with a synthetics act as strong of symbol when no statement semantic error. English can have many meanings. The chicken is really to eat. Program had only one meaning, but the meaning may not be able what programmer intended. What things we go wrong? Common and easily caused. Some language check for those before running program can use unpredictable behavior, different meaning than what programs intend. Program crash, stop running, program run forward, program give an answer. A program is a sequence of defining and commands, defining valuations, common executions to Python interrupts in a cells, command, instruction, interpretation to do something can be typed directly in a shell or stored in a file that is read into the shell and evaluated. Program environment. Program manipulates data objective. Objective have a type that define the kind of things or programs can do to them. Is a number we can add, subtract, and so on. Is a sequence of character we can grab, subtract. Objective scalable. Number 8.32 true value, true false. List distinct sequence of character. Represent integrate. Represent real number. Represent book values. Specials and has no values. Uh, so you can try if you can close type of conversation, objects of type of and the cast in the trees out and so on. In your console, find the type of exploration combination objects and expressions of big idea. Reflects complex expression by one values. So in that particular example, we see uh, parentless tells Python to do those operations fast. Operational produce procedures without parentless. Execute left of right as appear in Express. Execute left to right as appear in Express. So many objects what to do times. Go, flags, and small. Various computer service are different than math variable. Math variable, CS variable. Meaning CS. The equation sign is assignments and assignment blind a values. Step 1. Compute the value of the right hand side. Store to the left hand side. Which of this following is a Python's? Uh, Give times to the value of expression to reuse in instead of value. Make code easier to read and modify. Choose variable names wisely. Code names need to read to today's, tomorrow's by you and yours. So it has means okay and base challenges can read the combined variable names using new assignment statement. Previous value may still store it in memory but lost the hand for it. Value for area does not change until you tell the computers to do calculation entry. Be idle lines are valuable one after one. Swap value of x and y without binding the number directly. So summary is objective is memory have type. Type tell Python what operation you can do with the objectives. Express evaluate to one value and involve other an operation. Variable bind name to objective. Sign is an assignment. So this is the way we can integrate it with this AI. So program only do what you tell them to do. Lay a line of code or execute in order. Good variable names and common help you read code later. So this is the way we can improve. This is the way you can enhance and make things happen. Thank you.